Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got some exciting news regarding our very popular LED side vent kits for your Ford trucks. Now, based on your feedback, we made a lot of upgrades to our prior generation. So now we've got our Mark II LED side vent kits available. And we just want to share with you some of the upgrades that we've been able to make based on your feedback. One thing that we did is we integrated the LED chip right into the board of the product. And that's allowed us to create a rigid structure for the LEDs themselves so that we can create a custom fitment based on your truck's specific vent. So you don't have to worry about trying to get a flexible LED strip into the vent anymore. You're going to be able to take this custom structure and place it right into the side vent. Another thing that's allowed us to do is add a upgraded gel adhesive to the back. So you no longer have to worry about silicone or any potential mess that can cause. And you're going to get a better adhesion all around using this. Another upgrade that we've made is to the harness itself. So it is now thermal sheath and tear resistant throughout the harness. And we've also added our easy T-tap connectors so that connecting to power for your side vent LEDs will be easier than ever. As popular as the Mark I LED side vents have been, we believe this generation takes leaps and bounds above that. So we're excited to hear your feedback and see how you enjoy it on your Ford F-150 and Super Duty trucks. You can check them out today at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford trucks. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, guys.